Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Polarity. My name is Lenny J, and we just finished the conference call. Elon Musk giving some information about Tesla's roadmap update during this conference call, and it was an interesting one because due to all the hype around Cybertruck being at the Austin factory and it having this new design or just slightly updated design elements to it, a lot of people, including myself, were expecting a Cybertruck update during this earnings call, and we did not get that at all. In fact, Elon Musk actually said before he started talking about the roadmap update, he said that certain things he didn't want to touch on because he wanted to save those things for future launch presentations.
I'm not going to go through every sort of thing that we're working on because I think a lot of them deserve product launches of their own, as opposed to a few minutes on an earnings call.
Okay, so exactly what can we expect this year? That answer is nothing.
The fundamental focus of Tesla this year is scaling output. Both last year and this year, if we were to introduce new vehicles, our total vehicle output would decrease. If we'd actually introduce an additional product, that would then require a bunch of attention and resources on that increased complexity of the additional product, resulting in fewer vehicles actually being delivered. And the same is true of this year. So we will not be introducing new vehicle models this year. It would not make any sense because we will still be parts constrained.
Them not releasing anything new this year is not on Tesla at all. It's more on the supply chain issues, chip shortage issues, things like that. So what Tesla's going to be focusing on this year is that supply chain issue, getting cars out there for those individuals that have orders right now and retooling factories and getting everything ready for production of new vehicles next year.
We will, however, do a lot of engineering and tooling and whatnot to create those vehicles, the Cybertruck, Semi, Roadster, Optimus.
One thing I wasn't expecting to hear about so much was Optimus, the new AI robot Tesla's working on, and Elon Musk had some words to say about it.
In terms of priority of products, I think actually the most important product development we're doing this year is actually the Optimus humanoid robot. This, I think, has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. If you think about the economy, it is the foundation of the economy is labor. Capital equipment is distilled labor. So what happens if you don't actually have a labor shortage? I'm not sure what an economy even means at that point. That's what Optimus is about.
So we can't expect any brand new products from Tesla this year, but we can expect the 4680 cells in the Model Y coming from Austin this year. In fact, we can expect that this quarter.
But we are making meaningful progress up the ramp curve in Cato. We're building 4680 structural packs every day, which are being assembled into vehicles in Texas. I was driving one yesterday and the day before. And we believe our first 4680 vehicles will be delivered this quarter. Our focus on the cell, the pack, and the vehicles here is driving yield, quality, and cost to ensure we're ready for larger volumes this year as we ramp and next year.
And an update on that $25,000 Tesla, it's not being worked on at the moment. I completely understand why. It makes total sense as to why when you consider everything that's happening at Tesla, everything they're working on, supply chain issues, chip shortages, all that. But I can't lie, I did get a little sad hearing that because that's the EV I'm looking forward to the most.
How is the progress of the $25,000 compact car? Can you give an update?
Well, we're not currently working on that $25,000 car. At some point we will, but we have enough on our plate right now. Too much on our plate, frankly.
In the conference call, Elon Musk did say that he expects FSD to be available this year. I don't see that happening. I don't know how many times Elon Musk has to say to himself or out to the public that he expects FSD to be available before the end of the current year. It happens every year. It's more likely not going to happen this year. I'll be surprised if it does and happy if it does, but I'm not getting my hopes up for it. Also, before the end of the year, we could expect an announcement for a brand new Tesla factory. We don't know where just yet, but it's in the works.
We're maximizing output of each factory. and building new factories and new locations in the future. Although we're not ready to announce any new locations on this call, but we will, through 2022, look at new locations.
So that's all I want to focus on in this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought. If you listened to the conference call, if you thought it was boring, if you thought it was entertaining or insightful, I guess I should say, not really entertaining. If you'd like the conference call, let me know. If you didn't listen to the conference call and you're just getting your information from this video, let me know what you think about some of the things I've put in the video, what Elon Musk had to say about certain things. So that's all I have for you in this episode of Polarity, and I will see you in the next one.